Right now, I'm at Voice of the Cape Community Radio Station where we are talking about exposing the banks and unethical banking behaviour. The feedback has been phenomenal. There's been SMSs, phone calls. All people are really fed up with how the banks are treating them and what they're doing with their hard-earned money.
I think, Yazeed, you must take this issue up, take out all our problems that we have with the bank. And I will be the first to actually explain to you exactly what happened to us in various banks. So the banks don't really think of it, the emotional effect on the people. And they don't want to pay back. Now, what happens to the person who loses a job?
You know, in the olden days, you knew your bank manager, but today you're just another number. Let your stop order just come back, say, within a few hours of bank. Supposing it has to go today being a holiday, Sunday, then tomorrow it comes back, you know the amount that they charge you. Now, I also know some people that had problems. One person was, reinstated with their money. It disappeared, but the other two lost.
Just one problem, these banks, they must refrain from using call centers and tell people to phone the customers. Because the people at the call centers don't have a clue what they're on about. And if you ask them a question about your business, they can't answer you. The banks must step up and get their acts together.
Yeah, I can tell you firsthand what it's like being on the receiving end of really time-consuming, frustrating, bad customer service. For 3 months, I had to phone the bank. I used to go into the bank branch even because, those calls, you can sit on there for sort of 20 minutes just waiting before a consultant actually picks up the phone and talks to you. So the whole service of the banking industry needs to be improved, whether it's from the minute you walk into the bank to the minute where you lose your money and the bank refuses to pay you back. I'm saying, and it sounds from callers and just the public in general, people are saying the banks need to improve its behavior. It's our hard-earned money that's in the bank. We not only trust them to ensure that our money is secure, but we're also saying to them, treat us better,
Hi there, can you tell me your name, please?
I'm Lisa.
Lisa?
Yeah, coming from Zimbabwe.
Okay, and you say that you have a message that something happened to your bank account. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, I was at the ATM bank. So I was about to take the money. So they just check the card doesn't come out. So I called to the Standard Bank and they didn't respond on the time. So early in the morning I woke up and go to the Standard Bank. Those company, the big Standard Bank.
Yes.
So they say they will give my money in 2 months' time, but they didn't give me it. 6,000.
6,000 rand?
Yeah, 6,000 rand.
And how long ago was that?
2 months ago.
And what did who did you speak to at Standard Bank when you went?
Yeah, I call everything, but they said they will give me money back, but they didn't give me.
They said that they will, but they didn't give
Yeah,
you.
but they didn't.
Okay.
Because now it's almost 2 months.
2 months.
No respond.
And after that, they didn't respond. And did you go back to the bank after that?
Yeah, I go back, but it was like I'm wasting my time to go there because they didn't do anything.
They didn't do anything.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Thank you very much. What's your name? Lisa?
Lisa, yeah.
Lisa. Okay,
Yeah.
Thanks, Lisa.
Okay, thank you.
Banks make money out of us putting our money into the bank. So they're making an absolute fortune out of us. And at the end of the day, you want to turn around and tell me that they're not even responsible for our money. I could go to the bank right now and try and draw some of my money and then find, actually, you know what, it's not here anymore. And then there's nothing I can do about it. That's crazy.
One SMS from 1597 says, in 2008, I had a MasterCard with a limit of 37,000. After I had a disability and not been able to work, I arranged to just pay off the account. But up to date, I paid off 400 Rand per month and now my balance is showing 43,000 Rand. So the payment of 400 Rand, only 100 goes off the account. The rest goes to interest fees with the bank. That is so crazy. Wow. Another SMS here, this one from 2146. Salam all, I think you must get a person or persons from banks to explain various problems or to answer questions to callers. I went overseas and I couldn't draw any money with the bank. that one coming in there. Well, I tried to get people from the banks on, but no one wanted to come on. I think they probably will respond to Yazeed's thing by a statement or something like that if need be.
I would like to encourage you to contact me with issues about your bank. If it has been unethical, it doesn't matter which Standard Bank or any other bank. I really want to expose unethical banking. Send me an email to this address and we can take it from there. It's time that we expose the banks.